Merry Christmas, everybody. It's getting here. Every day it's closer and closer. And here's one of the stressful things. You've got people on your list that you haven't gotten a gift for yet. I have the perfect gift. And the exciting thing is our holiday maker box has so many fabulous products in it that we have 8 different projects that you can do. And the exciting thing is we have marked it down to $75 while supplies last. It comes in this gorgeous white box with this gorgeous banner on it. So it's a really beautiful presentation. And then when you open it up, it has all these recipe cards of all of the projects that you're going to be able to do. I'm just going to tell you, more than any other maker box we've ever done, I have used more projects all around my house, and one of them, you may see them on my mantle. One of the great projects that we have in the box are these gold fluted candles that can stand on their own. And you get enough beeswax that you can make a lot of them. These would be a great gift to be able to just tie the ribbon around them or use them in your home. Something else that you have plenty of in one of the projects, you've got multiple cards as well as the envelopes and the inks and the stencil to be able to make your own cards, to be able to write things inside it. Y'all know me, I love writing little notes of what 2023 has been like to people that I give gifts to. Even for you to be able to make pieces of art, you know, let's be honest, angels never go out of style. Angels are not seasonal. So this is a beautiful plaster art angel that you'll be able to put in your bathroom, be able to put in one of your gallery settings. But there are 8 different projects all through this box. So if you want to make it easy, if you want to make shopping easy, just click the button and buy this for your friends. Where else are you going to be able to buy a gift for $75 or even for yourself? This is such a bargain. 8 different projects in here. So they're like $9 and some change a piece on every project. So not only is it a great buy, it's something that you'll be able to use to be able to create gifts for other people, or just to be able to turn on a fire, turn on some Christmas music, put some mulling spices on the stove, and enjoy crafting. As I say, craft a beautiful life. Merry Christmas, everybody. Jesus is the reason for the season, and it's such a joy to be able to celebrate it and spend some time making some of our favorite things. Mwah! Love you.